Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using an administrator account so updates can install without prompts. Once ready, open Start, type Device Manager and open it. This gives you direct control of drivers. Locate the Bluetooth adapter listed under Bluetooth or Network Adapters. Right-click the device to reveal options. Do not skip verifying the adapter name and manufacturer. That matters when you choose a driver. While you're here, note the current driver version shown in Properties, so you can confirm change after updating. Now you download and install the correct driver. If Windows Update offers one, let it search automatically. It often provides tested drivers. If you prefer the latest or a vendor-specific feature, go to the adapter maker's site, match the model and OS, and download the driver package. Once downloaded, return to Device Manager, right-click the adapter, select Update Driver, and point to the downloaded folder or let Windows search. Follow on-screen prompts, reboot if requested, and verify the new version in Properties. Finish by restarting your computer to ensure the driver loads cleanly. After reboot, re-enable Bluetooth and repair your devices. Check connectivity and features. If something breaks, open Device Manager, select the Bluetooth adapter, and use Rollback Driver to return to the previous version, then restart. Make sure to run the Windows Bluetooth Troubleshooter for common conflicts. It can reset services and suggest fixes. If problems persist, try installing the vendor's complete Bluetooth stack instead of just the driver for full compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.